In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a podcast on Wix. So the first thing you need to do is to pull up your Wix website editor. You can access this by clicking on the Edit Site button on your Wix dashboard. Once you're at the editor, you're just going to look for the Add Elements option on the left side of the screen. And if you click that, you should be able to see this option right here, which says Embed Code. And then under Popular Embeds, we're just going to go ahead and click on Embed HTML. Now, once the Embed HTML has been added, I'm just going to go ahead and reposition this right here. And an easy way of adding a podcast to our website, for example, if you have a Spotify podcast, this will be much easier. So to get started on that, we're just going to grab the embed code of our Spotify podcast and paste it right here on this section. Just make sure code is selected. So we're just going to go ahead and get started on that. I'm going to head on to my Spotify right here. And then on my selected podcast, let's say it's this TED Talk right here. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the three dots and hover on Share, then click on Embed Episode. Here we can change the color background a bit and some other settings right here. But once that's done, we can just go ahead and copy the code by clicking on this button right here. And then we're going to go back to our Wix website editor and paste the code on this section. Now we just click Update and close this. As you can see, we have the podcast episode right here. Now I'm just going to resize this so that the entire thing can be seen. Just like that. And once that's done, we're just going to go ahead and click on Save. And then click Publish Now. Now we're just going to check how this looks on our website. We're just going to let that load. Right here, we have the podcast episode. Now we're just going to try playing it. Let the podcast load.
TED Audio Collective.
It's TED Talks Daily. I'm your host, Elise Hu.
And the podcast should be readily available on our website. And that's about it. That's how you embed a podcast on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.